how to use hashtags on Pinterest. So if you want to use hashtag on Pinterest, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your Pinterest application. Once you open up your Pinterest, now you just need to simply go with the plus, which is on the bottom middle, and you will have start creating now. So tap on pin, and here you will have all of the images or videos that you can use to create your pin. So for example, I'll be choosing an image and then go with next, which is on the upper right. And now you can give it a title and the description, and under description you can put your hashtag. So you can go with the hashtag with relevant content. So I have the lights right there. So under the description I can go with lights, and then it's the time of a festival which is known as Diwali. So I'll be choosing Diwali, or Diwali decorations at home, and you can add your link and then pick a board and everything, and after that go with create, which is on the bottom right. So that's how you can use hashtags on your Pinterest. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.